Welcome to Little Harmony Club.
Waddle like a duck down the street, flappy wings and happy feet, quacking every friend you meet. Life's a pond, ain't it sweet? Ducks in raincoats looking fine, splashing puddles all the time. Webbed feet dancing in a line. Where there's fun, that's where we dine. Quack, quack here and quack, quack there. Ducks are quacking everywhere. With a feathered frolic flair, life's a quacking love affair. Mama duck leads in a row, baby ducklings never slow. Off to see where lilies grow, in the water whisper low. Feathers bright in the summer sun, every day is full of fun. Quacking songs till day is done, little ducks on the run. Ducks are friends with a big heart. In the pond, they'll never part. Quacking joy is ducky art. Every day, a brand new start.